Today, I'll show you how to remove a card from your GoDaddy account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to handle it if your card is still attached to active products like domains or hosting. Let's go step by step so nothing is confusing or rushed. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and head over to your payment methods page, and this is usually found under your account settings or billing section. Once you're logged in, take a moment to navigate there and give the page a second to load, especially if you have several cards or payment options saved. On the payment methods page, you'll see a list of your saved cards. Look carefully through this list and find the specific card you want to remove. Double check the last 4 digits and the expiration date so you're absolutely sure you're working with the right one. This helps avoid removing a card you still want to use. Once you've located the correct card, look for the 3 dots next to it. This is typically shown as a small menu icon, sometimes called a More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots, a small menu will pop up, and in that menu choose the delete option. You're not done yet, but this is the first key action. At this point, what happens next depends on whether that card is linked to any active GoDaddy products. If the card is not tied to anything active, GoDaddy will show you a confirmation window. Read it briefly to confirm it's the right card, then click Confirm Delete. Once you do that, the card will be removed from your payment methods list and you won't be charged on that card in the future. However, if the card is still linked to active products such as domain renewals, hosting plans, or other subscriptions, GoDaddy will not let you delete it right away. Instead, you'll see a message explaining that the card is currently being used for active products. This is a safety feature to prevent interruptions in your services. To move forward, you have 2 options. You can add a new payment method to replace the one you're trying to remove. That might be another card or a different accepted payment option. Once the new method is added, assign it to those active products so they can renew without issues. Alternatively, if you already have another backup card saved on your account, you can simply assign that existing card to the products that are using the one you want to delete. After you've reassigned all active products to a different payment method, go back to the payment methods page, open the menu for the old card again, select delete and confirm. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to remove a card from GoDaddy safely while making sure your active products stay covered.